What's up, my crypto legends? So the price of Bitcoin here, looking at the daily chart during the price action in between November, December and January of this year, we are holding by a thread here, the last point where we have high volume. The moment we lose this $40,000 level, we are likely going to go down to the low $38,000 range where we are seeing that spike in volume. So are we going to manage to hold these lows over here at $40,000? Now, we are breaking through the value area low of the trading range in between December and January. However, there is very low volume. It is not intentional to get a massive move to the downside just yet. So I'm going to explain the game plan. What are we looking at here? Are we going to take these lows from Friday and get an instant bounce in a swing failure pattern? Or are we going to bounce from this range already? I'm going to explain the sign of strength, what levels we need to reclaim here as resistance, flipping into support to get that move to the upside to sweep up the liquidity above $42,000 and $43,000. There is hundreds of millions of dollars of liquidations here of short positions. Will we manage to jump all the way up there without claiming this low? I'm going to explain the game plan, guys, so you can know exactly what we're looking for here for the next coming hours. So make sure to stay tuned. Hi there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode, guys. Let's dive in here straight into the technical analysis. Now, keeping it really simple, the low $40,000 range is extremely important to hold if we do not want to see a breakdown all the way down to the low $38,000 range. This was explained on yesterday's live stream, how we are holding the last level of high volume from the price action in between December and January. It is important to hold this range and we do not get a breakdown with high volume, because if that is happening, we could go as low as $38,000 and slightly lower to the $37,000 range where we do have a lot of volume. And this is the range where I would expect the price to find some support and create a new range where we could find some great trading opportunities. For the moment, these lows are holding. So no doubt here, going to the lower time frames, we can see here how we're losing the value area low of December and January. However, there is no volume. This breakdown is not very intentional to get that move down to $38,000. Now, I am in a long position here from these lows. I've already protected. I'm very much aware of that low from Friday at $40,300 to be taken possibly in the next coming hours. So I am interested in this long position here. Now, remember, guys, if you're not trading on Bybit, I don't know where you're trading. Bybit for me is the best crypto trading platform. I've been trading here for over 4 years. You got an insane bonus down below and a 20% fee cut only if you sign up with my link in the description. There is a trading competition going on right now where there is 2.2 million US dollar tether as a prize pool. You got that link also down below. If you're trading on Bybit anyway, why not trade there? You can get a piece of the cake of that insane prize pool. So explaining this long position that I have right now, there is a bunch of liquidity sitting above $42,000 and even $43,000. No doubt that Bitcoin has a chance to get that rise above $42,000 here so we can claim that liquidity. This is why I'm entering that long position with very good risk management, stop loss at break even at the moment, low volume. It does have a chance. However, there is some very big bearish CVD divergence on most of the exchanges where we do have those lower lows here. As you can see, this is all the exchanges except for Bybit. Bybit yesterday was creating some massive bearish CVD divergence. This is why we got the drop in between yesterday and today here. Based on Bybit, there was a lot of people entering long positions. They were getting absorbed here with lower highs, as you can see right there, getting that movement to come down. Now, on the other side, most of the exchanges, counting Binance, FEMEX, a lot of the exchanges are forming those big bearish CVD divergence. A lot of people selling at this point and they are getting absorbed. We are still managing to create higher lows here. Now, we're just $100 away, so we just need to be aware that the price could get that movement to the downside below $40,000, and then we're going to have to go from there, guys. Will it create a swing failure pattern? Will we manage to just claim the lows here and get a wick and a recovery? This is what I am eyeing, guys, because I would be still very much interested in seeing a fake out to the downside with not too much volume, so we can get that recovery back above the value area low of the trading range in between December and January to claim above $42,000 and possibly above $43,500. This would be an epic trade. This is the trade that I am looking at for the moment, guys. If we do break down, that is totally fine. I'll be getting stopped out at break even. I'm managing my risk very, very well, and I do not want to be in any trade in between $38,000 and $40,000 because I am aware of a major drop here, and I'm also aware of a possible fake out and recovery. So that is basically the trading plan that I'm looking at here currently. I know there's a lot of liquidity above $42,000. I know there is bearish CVD divergence, okay, on the Bybit chart here more locally. We are creating lower highs, and actually we are creating some higher highs here more locally here on the CVD. So we are creating lower highs on price action, higher highs. I'm aware that there is a possibility in coming back down to claim this low right over here. So very defensive. It does look like that this low can be claimed, but I'm looking for that possible fake out. If we do not fake out from the lows here of Friday, then go down. I am not interested in any trade position. If we get down a wick here and recover above the low of Friday, I am interested in a very good risk to reward trading setup to go above $42,000. Now, hey, Andy, what happens if we do not claim that low from Friday and we're going to start recovering from this point? I didn't enter a long position at lower levels. Well, zooming in here on the lower time frames, we did break down today from that daily level and the value area low of the range of December and January. We broke down below that level and we got resistance from the daily and the value area low of the range. So what would be a clear sign of strength here is getting above that daily level and value area low of the range. If price action in the next coming hours starts breaking through above value area low from December and January and that daily level, then obviously we are looking for the price action to get an instant recovery to claim 42,100. This is the highs created on Friday. That would be my target zone. So there will be long positions here if we reclaim that daily and value area low here for that nice recovery. And this is a move of over $1,000. I will be eyeing very carefully with the Legends trading community to see if we can take that opportunity if we reclaim that level with some pretty significant volume. Then for me, this is a green light that we are going to get over $1,000 move to the upside. Not much more has to be said on this technical analysis update on Bitcoin, guys. Remember to subscribe to the channel because I will be doing a live stream just after the New York Open. So make sure to be ready. We'll be looking at some major opportunities, not only on Bitcoin, but a lot of the altcoins as well. Make sure to check out the Bybit tutorial if you do not know how to trade there. I explain in detail how to use that platform, guys. Thank you, and I'll see you in the live stream.